next award. It is Frank International Biophysics Award for leadership in applying physical principles in biological phenomena as per FLOGEN sustainability framework in the environment, economic, and social point of view. It is in honor of Nobel Laureate in chemistry, Frank. So, the winner is Norbert Schwarzer, CEO, Saxonian Institute of Surface Mechanics in Germany. With a firewire outfit.
Yeah, it's a first aid.
This is first aid, not fire.
First aid, but I'm also a firefighter. I'm here with my son. We invented this together. And as firefighters, as lifeguards, the lifeguard dress with first aid installation as a paramedic. Of course, we wanted to give the audience the idea of how it feels like to be out there and risk something, and sometimes also get home with a post-traumatic stress syndrome. And our talk was about mathematical psychology, so post-traumatic stress syndrome.
So, you know who is the god of fireman and fire?
Yeah, Prometheus, of course, and he gave us the fire.
Which one? What's the name?
Prometheus.
No, Prometheus is in prehistoric time. What about in the modern one?
You mean the North one? That it's Thor, or you mean the Greek?
It's a saint one. No, it's not Greek god. Saint Florian.
Saint Florian.
Saint Florian.
But this is not the god. This is the saint.
The saint. Sorry.
Yeah, this is for it. That's why all our. Well, you asked for the god.
Sorry.
Okay,
you're right.
Our protector is Saint Florian.
Saint Florian. Actually, that's a protector. That's a saint.
So, I mean, you know, my name is Florian, correct?
Absolutely. I should have guessed from there, but you're not a god. So, saint.
So that's the word.
Yeah. Wow. I'm impressed and humbled.
Yeah, so you keep it with your hand. Follow our standard. You just get here for the official photo. You can say a few words.
So I'm pretty sure I do not deserve this, but definitely all those emergency people helping others. So I take it for all the firefighters. Thank you very much.
Congratulations again on the Biophysics Award from St. Florian.